been a long time. I should have left you without a dope wig to slay boo. Cause I heard it's the bomb. So you got it going on. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her can today. Listen, I was going through my stash and I realized I still had a can of that Black Girl Magic, okay? And listen, what better way, uh-oh, that's too much ice. Is it? I don't know. But what better way to go into the weekend than with a little bubbly in the hair too. But anywho, you clearly know what time it is because y'all see the color. I know they about to come out the woodwork. Let me send you that wig. Okay. Y'all know this is my color. So if you want to see how to get your wig like this, have a seat, get your glass, and take notes. But as always, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Hold up. Fall is here and so is the color. Y'all see it? I have been waiting all year for this. This is the reddish brown Auburn, however you want to describe her, Jerry curly unit, and it does have the 7x5 parting space. This is a 20-inch, 150% density. With that 150, you're gonna see right through. But I'm going to fluff mine up, so make sure you are watching. Watch what I'm doing, okay? Detoxed it first, let her soak for a little bit, get that smell out of there, and then you wash her, and then I sat her outside for about 30 minutes, and this is how she is looking after it dried outside. Air that bad boy out. That's how I got my wig like this. So go ahead and delete that paragraph, Brenda. Your wig don't look like mine because I just told you what I did and you didn't do that. Okay, listen. Watch. It does have the adjustable straps and the comb in the back, as well as the removable elastic band and the drawstring. Okay, so extra security for this one. I've been waiting for the drawstring version of this color. Thank you, BeautyForeverHair. Thank you. They tried to send me a V part. I don't want that. I told them I wanted an Auburn. Break them out. It's time. They know what I want. Okay, and they know what you want too. We need some happiness going on around here. And this color makes me happy. And happy people just don't cuss out anyone. I'm gonna take a mix of my contour and scope color. Put that on my brush. And then I'm gonna take it all up around the edge of that hairline, just like that, and then work it back. We'll be doing some swishy edges today. Hello. It's about time I bust those back out. When I washed the wig, I took out the band, so let me put that back in. I took the adjustable straps off. Let's see how she gonna fit. Come on, get it, get it, get it. Is she big head friendly? I would say she is big head friendly. Can we wear this glueless? Possibly. The hairline looks a little thick though. I don't really see any baby hairs. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not seeing actual baby hairs, so you may want to, you know, cut some yourself, which I probably will. Do a little swishy right here just so I can, you know, swish those a bit. Clip back what I don't need. Put my glasses on. Y'all know I cannot see. I don't know why I'm trying to do this in the dark, child. That's good. I think so. Take this and cut it just like that. Take my mousse here. I'm making a hairline. I want my swishies to be a certain way. This is my Nairobi mousse. Swirl those up like that. Put some over here. Bring that to the back. Some on top. Bring that down. I'm gonna take my tweezers here in the front and just pull a little bit of this out because she a little tight. Just to open that up a bit. Now if I want, I can pull even more out right in here. Just gonna pull some out right here just to open that up. The knots are pretty tiny, so they blend really nicely. However, with that, they will come out easily as well. So that can cause a little bit more shedding. So be mindful what you're pulling out. They sent me a band, where we at? Here we go. Before I wrap her down, let me make sure this is tightened down the back with my drawstring. It's just that added security, you know what I'm saying? Tighten it down like that and then lock it. Beauty forever. That mousse is a mold, not a hold, okay? So if you lift her, she will lift. Let's see, where we at, where we at? I'm gonna use the mousse again. I'm just gonna work on defining my ends. A little bit of mousse at a time. Clump my ends, like so. Take my detangler brush, which I also use as my clumping brush. Clump the curls like that. Clump them together. We're just doing a little spot checking with the clumping. Nothing crazy. Mousse all over. Oh! Make sure I get my ends. Nairobi mousse dries down really fast, but it also can make the hair dry if that's all you're using. But that's normally all I use, and I don't mind it. But if you want more of a lightness with a little bit of hydration, use the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Or you can still use this, and I've also topped it with my Dark and Lovely Curl Cream, or use this, and I can't find nothing today. My Garnier Fructis Hair Serum. I may not need to do anything. I may just be able to use this and go on about my business. Again, if you follow these steps, if you do exactly what I do, you won't have no problems. Okay, your wig will look like mine. And Beauty Forever, make sure the 150 matches. Scrunch it like so. I am getting some shedding with this wig still. I got some shedding when I did the wash, so just be mindful of that. But y'all know I ain't washing this wig again no time soon, okay? So I'll have minimal shedding once I get her styled up. Because the hair is pretty much dry, I'm just going to diffuse it for a little bit, make sure my curls are clumped how I want them, and then I'm going to take the diffuser off and blow dry the rest of it dry, especially near the back because that's where most of the dampness is. And now we are sitting like this. Scrunch it up with my fingers because I can't find my pick. It was still a little damp right here. Let that air dry a little bit more. That teenager of mine, I swear to goodness, let him borrow it one time and now it's gone. I had two, and he wondered why I be fussing because you be losing my stuff, sir. Again, 150, okay, 150. She's not super thick, and it's a jerry curl. So that's how she's looking. Let me take off this band. Ooh, dang. About to slap me in the eye. Now my edges are not really doing what I want them to do because of the texture of the hair. It's a jerry curl, and I cut them shorter. So the actual curl of the unit was at the bottom of that strand. First, let me fix my makeup. Try to get rid of that line as much as possible. I didn't realize it was that tight on it, dang. Now I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel, put a little bit on my brush. So I want my edges to be a little squiggly, not too much, but I don't want them to be like straight. So I need to kind of put a little bit of product in there. That's too much. I don't want that. I don't want that. Bring some of those back. There we go. Work it out. Too much there. Bring some of that up. There we go. Get a little bit of my contour color, a mix of the two, not too much, just a smidge, a little tap like that. Just make sure that's blended. Use a little bit of that sculpt color in the middle. Kind of open that up like that. Do what I do, and your wig will look like mine. Use a little bit of my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray right here in the front, just to hold that up. Like so. Okay. What is it, in between my glasses? There we go. And we are pretty much done with the look. It's been a long time. I should have left you without a dope wig to slay boo, slay boo, slay, slay, slay boo. Do y'all see the wig on me? Now I know y'all already wondering like, girl, wait a minute. What you do? I use my hairspray, okay? Get your hairspray. If you want big hair without teasing it up, use your hairspray. You see it? Lift the hair, spray, scrunch. Lift, spray, scrunch. Lift, spray, scrunch. Okay, listen, that's all you gotta do to give yourself some volume. And then to keep it, because after a while, you know, once that heat hits it, it will droop a little bit. You can lift it and tease it back. That'll keep it, you know, in the shape. If you don't mind tangles, okay? Because once you tease it, it's gonna tangle. At the nape, it will start to tangle. It doesn't matter what texture it is. Jerry curly, kinky curly, body wave, straight, kinky straight, yucky straight, silky, whatever. Because that friction is building up between your neck and that hair, it will start rubbing like this, just from you moving your head around. It will tangle. What else I got? She's secure. Oh, yeah, she on there. Okay, gluelessly, might I add. I would probably go in and just cut a little of the lace out of here, just to kind of open that up so it's not like so straight across. It would be about right there. And right there. Can y'all tell the difference? I can. Again, all the hair to the front. This is all the hair to the front. To the back, this is how she looking. The color and the curl, hello. About to make me holler. Ooh, yeah, beauty. But y'all, the hair color is gorgeous, and so was that price point. Yeah, she real pretty. With the coupon, my 20 inches is $142. Now that's too much for you. You can go down to the 18 inch for $139, or if you want a little bit extra length with the 22 inch, that's about $165, and the 24 inch is $195. Okay, all under $200. Hello. So get in where your pockets fit in, or his, or hers, them. You already know when this color pops out, Christmas is around the corner. Ho ho ho, give me the wig. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.